Well, first of all, I'd seize the moment. You have an opportunity now to say, we're going to correct this. These are our tools in their toolbox that we're going to use, that we've learned from NACO and from the workshop that they have put on, and these experts that have been able to come in and help us at a very low cost, I might add. It's such an education. You can't put what is the commercial? Priceless. So it's a priceless experience. So what I hope to tell them is, when there's an event like that, I plan to, as an elected official, seize that moment to say, yes ma'am, yes sir, we understand we have a problem here and we are on it and we're going to take care of it. It may not be perfect, but we're going to give you the tools that you need, from insurance, which was very interesting today, insurance all the way to how to put in your foundation on your house to try and help you be a happier individual here in Mississippi.